Imagine this. You walk into the office on Monday morning, coffee in hand, ready to start the week. But instead of your friendly HR manager, there's an AI avatar on the screen, smiling and saying, "Good morning, how can I assist you today?" Sounds like a scene from a science fiction movie, right? Well, get ready, because with AI growing so fast, this could be happening sooner than you think. Nearly 75% of companies have implemented AI-powered tools for recruitment processes. So what does that mean for the real people working in HR? AI is already sorting through CVs faster than you can say you're hired or fired. It's scanning hundreds of applications in minutes using algorithms to pick up the best candidates, while HR folks are still sipping their morning coffee. And it doesn't stop there. 55% of companies are already using AI for predictive workforce analytics, helping them anticipate staffing needs and future skills shortage. But here is the catch. Can an AI avatar understand the art of office politics or the emotional weight of layoffs? Can it handle the complex world of human feelings? Let's get real. AI might be smart, but it's not exactly the office buddy you can joke around with. It can't empathize with Dave from accounting who's having a tough time, or sense the tension in a meeting like Anna, our experienced HR manager, can. Did you know that 75% of employees believe that human interactions is essential in HR? Yep, people still want to talk to, well, people. Imagine an AI chatbot trying to resolve a workplace conflict. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you please rephrase? Not very helpful, right? Remember when a big tech company had to scrap its AI recruiting tool because it was discriminating against women? Yeah, that happened. The AI learned from the CVs submitted over 10 years, mostly from men, and started favoring male applicants. Oops. Turns out AI can keep up human biases, and without proper checks, it might even make them worse. AI has brains, but humans have hearts. And that's the combo we need in HR, because at the end of the day, it's called human resources for a reason. But hey, it's not all bad news. AI can be like the ultimate assistant, crunching numbers and spotting trends so HR pros can focus on the bigger picture. Companies using AI in HR have seen up to 30% cut in time spent on admin tasks. That's a lot of extra time for that much needed coffee break. Take Zoe, an awesome HR manager. With AI handling the boring stuff, she's gone from battling spreadsheets to being a strategic superstar. She's using AI to create personalized training programs and even predict who might be thinking about quitting before they even know it themselves. Is AI stealing our jobs, the jobs of the HR people? Or maybe it's something that helps us and provides HR professionals with the superpowers to be more productive? Leave your answers in the comments below. So, how do we make this AI-human team-up happen? It's all about the balance. Let AI handle the grunt work, like sorting through the 250 CVs that come in for every job opening, and let humans do what they do best, being human. On one side, we've got an AI chatbot named Eva answering common questions at 2 a.m. because, let's face it, insomnia is real. On the other side, there's Mike, the HR guru building the company culture that keeps employees happy and organizing those epic Friday get-togethers. It's not humans versus machines. It's humans and machines working together to create an awesome workplace. A study by Deloitte found that 41% of HR departments have already adopted AI technologies, and those companies are seeing happier employees. But wait, isn't there a downside? You bet there is. Remember that famous line from the Spider-Man? With great power comes great responsibility. Just like Peter Parker, we need to be cautious with the incredible power of AI in HR. First up, data privacy. AI systems crave data, the more the better. That means your personal info, performance reviews, even how often you grab a coffee could be analyzed. Kind of creepy, right? With cyber attacks on the rise, how safe is all that sensitive information? Can we trust AI to make fair decisions? Who's accountable when things go wrong? If an AI chatbot mistakenly fires someone or overlooks a great candidate, who's to blame? These are tough questions without easy answer. It's like handing over the keys to a self-driving car. Sure, it can drive, but what happens when it faces something unexpected? Similarly, AI can handle routine tasks, but can it deal with complex human issues? We have explored how AI is shaking up the HR world, the irreplaceable human touch, and how AI can be an amazing assistant rather than a replacement. But let's get down to the question everyone's asking. Is my HR job safe from the AI revolution? Let's dive in. According to McKinsey & Company, up to 30% of jobs worldwide could be automated by AI by 2030. And yes, that includes many HR roles. That's nearly 1/3 of all jobs. But it doesn't stop there. A recent survey found that 16% of HR professionals believe AI will replace their jobs in the next 5 years. That's almost 1 in 6 HR folks thinking they will be swapped out for algorithms. Researchers analyzed 55 common HR roles and sorted them into 3 categories based on their risk of being automated. AI's easy targets. These are the jobs so routine and monotonous that AI can handle them with ease. Think of tasks like data entry, scheduling, and basic admin work, the low-hanging fruit for automation. This includes jobs like HR administrators, payroll clerks, or even some diversity, equity, and inclusion officers. If your day involves a lot of copy-pasting, watch out, AI is coming for your clipboard. For instance, AI can already automate CV screening and interview scheduling. If your day consists of shuffling papers or updating spreadsheets, it might be the time to level up your skills. Automation battleground. Welcome to the gray zone. These positions are either repetitive but complex or non-repetitive but less complex. This group features positions like talent acquisition specialists, HR managers, and benefit managers. These roles require more human interaction and decision making. But AI is starting to make waves here too. Imagine AI tools that not only find candidates but also predict who will be the best fit for your company's culture, or systems that recommended personalized benefits packages using data analytics. Your role might evolve, but it's not vanishing anytime soon. The human touch champions. These roles require the special something only humans have: creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving skills. Think strategists, innovators, and leaders, the superheroes of the HR world. AI might crunch numbers like a pro, but it can't replicate the magic of human ingenuity. Roles like Chief People Officer, Organizational Development Director, and People Analytics Head are pretty safe for now. These positions demand complex decision-making, strategic planning, and a deep understanding of people. All areas where AI still has a lot to learn. Plus, someone needs to oversee all these fancy AI tools, right? Let's wrap this up. AI in HR. It's happening and it's exciting. But it's not a replacement, it's a partnership. As we move into the future, remember, technology changes, but we need to value human connection. That's timeless. A handshake, a pat on the back, or a heartfelt "Congrats on your promotion." These are things an AI chatbot just can't do. Whether you're just starting out or you are an HR veteran, here's how to stay ahead of the AI curve. Upskill yourself. Develop abilities that AI can't easily mimic, like strategic thinking, leadership, and creative problem solving. Embrace technology. Don't fear AI. Make it your friend. Learn how to work alongside AI tools to enhance your job and showcase your adaptability. Stay agile. The agile landscape is changing fast. Be ready to pivot into new roles or taking on tasks less likely to be automated. So, what do you think? Would you trust an AI avatar with your next promotion or vacation request? Are you ready to be onboarded by a chatbot? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on all things work and tech, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, keep bringing the human touch to your workplace and let AI handle the heavy lifting. Because the future of HR isn't human or machine. It's both. See you in the future.